Alright, these are the 41 WLD case we're working on, stroker. So I'm cutting out my clearances here. So I just got done doing the left case here. So I got this all cut out. And then we're going to do the right side case here next. So this is the mock-up motor here. So basically these are the dimensions I got. It's about 200 thick from the threads to the edge of this case. Whereas this case here, it was 165, 170 on that part. This one here is slightly thicker, 205, 210. This one here was 165, 175. So you can see how they're a little bit thinner on this one than this one, but close. And the center V mark here, we're about 255 on both of these cases, because it's the same round hole that we're coming off of. So that's the thickness across the flange right here when you measure. So you take your caliper, you go like this, and about 255. Get in the right spot right there, in that area somewhere. This one here's a little thinner, so we're pushing about 200, depending on where you measure at in here. This one here is around 215-ish. But there's a little bit of a lip between this and that case over there, so this need to be cut down a little extra. These ones over here are a lot thinner, see? 160-ish area someplace. Alright, so we're going to duplicate that same cutting over here. So I lined the case up with my 6-inch scale right here. So we got our keyway right here, or T-slots on the mill. So you just kind of take the scale and measure it, line it up off your marks, and run it across the table. It looks pretty even, you're close. And I had this template I made right here that goes across here, which is what I scribed it with. Give me an idea of what I needed. So, yeah, that's how it's done. So, I'm going to go ahead and, just like we did the other side, we're going to do the side. So, we already got this lined up, so I'm going to cut it. And we're going 350 deep, so that's the other thing we got to do. Mark that in this other case. Keep up on my notes, hard notes. It's on the case. All right, so put this thing over here where we belong. This is a different height than we had before. First thing we do is get the height figured out. Scale disappeared. Okay. Yep, we hit. So we hit way over here around 50 thousandths. Go up a whole nother notch. Yep. Okay. Move it over to get surface we can see. Go down until we touch it. There. Again, zero out of the table. first cut. We'll cut the lip off the case. Drop it 50. Take our first pass. Corner. Good. Next cut. Another pass. Underneath our table here, you gotta make sure it's sitting flat. The dowel pins under here, they're in the way, and the oil pump basket's down lower in the gasket surface. And make sure the blocks are in there. Sitting flat. And all around this side too. I have a lot more holding power on this case, so I can actually cut it both directions if I want. Okay, number 50. Start cutting that thing in. $200. Give it another 10. Take a measurement now and see where we're at. Okay, that's the kind of number we got here. Oop. So around 225-ish, 220. We want to try to get where it just touches the edge of this case here, so it's going to come in about right. Do another 50. We've got 20 to go, so we'll give it a 15 pass here. Okay. Always shut that down before you put your hands near there. Could get bloody real quick if you don't do that. We got 211 or something, 209. Looks pretty close. Looks going to be close to right here also where we want it to be. It's looking pretty good. Let's see, our depth should be about 250 right now. Guess I missed a turn. Yep, we're 250. We go to 350, so give another 100, I mean another 50 over here. And we had some more to take up here, so give another 5 over here. I'll measure when I get on the outside edge. It's a lot more stable case than we had before with the other one. We're only holding on this on that side. On this one here, we're holding all the way across the whole base, so it doesn't vibrate like the other one did. A lot more stable. That looks pretty good on the... We just hit our edge here where we want to be, so that's good. That's looking good right now for depth. You know, it should be more to go, but it's looking good. Yeah, we're 207, 204. So I got a couple thou more to go on that. That's about all I want to go at most. It's good where it is actually. So I'll give this 250. There's the 50. Get that feeding back. Give us a couple thou over here just for the hell of it. There's a couple. 0. See what kind of a job we did here. Okay, let's see what we got over here. Is that 2 on the money? It's hard to read. Looks like 200 on the money. Good. And we're just catching our edge like I wanted to see. I mean, the depth should be 350 now because I went down another 100. Can't get here quite straight, so slightly off. Coming at an angle over here, so there we go. Get a little closer that way. It's showing 54. Should have been 50. Oh well. Alright, so got that side done. Okay, now I gotta move the case over to the next one. Looks like this is our next closest thing to get to. This one's further, so it's toss up. You can cut this one or cut this one, doesn't really matter. We gotta go back and forth. So we'll pick one here in a second. Which one do I want to do? First thing I do is drop this back. 1, 2, 3. Get it out of the way. Loosen that up. Let's see here. I think we'll go over this one over here. We don't have much to go to get to this one. Kind of eyeball, that's all you gotta do. It's got several marks on this one to go off of. Sure, one of these is the one we want to use. So you got a whole bunch of lines here, so it's hard to tell where we're at. So we'll put the template up there and see which one we're supposed to be on. Oh, he's threading, that's right. I want the bolt wouldn't go in the hole. What's wrong with it? It's threaded, that's why. Okay, I'm going to take my straight edge, put it against the actual template. Slightly. here, I think. Pull it down nicely. We can make some fine-tuning adjustments if we need to. So there's what the template looks like on the up on the case. So it gives you an edge to come right off the paper here. And this one over here, you can see how this one is right there on the edge like it's supposed to be. Lines up. That's why you make a template. Makes it more accurate. There is no set dimension for this. If I had a CNC mill, I can make one, but we don't have that. Oh well. Over here. Same spot it was on. So zeroed out right there, pretty much on zero. Okay, side to side, we don't know yet. Give it a 50. Make a cut. Five inches different than it was. Pretty far off the line right now, but we do have a radius cutter, so it'll go down at least 100 to get a true number. Another pass. Obviously off by quite a bit. $16 adjustment there. This case we can cut a lot quicker than the other case. Back and forth, boom, boom, boom. Get a measurement after this one's done. I think I'm still pretty fat. $230. Oh, wrong direction. 50. 230. So we got another 15 to go to get to 210. Disappearing now. Still a little bit of a left there, it looks like. Right on that mark. $50 more. Okay, how close are we to the top of the case here? Looks like we're near it. we got this. Looks like around 214, 213. It's at around 215 it looks like. This is what the right side. So this one was the one that's 205, 210. So you got another 5 or 10 more to go. There's another 50 right here. Make that 0. Zero that. 11 more. 11 more I should have went. Oh well. Probably should have like 8. Too late now. $50 more should be our final. Alright. How much too much did I cut? I cut 5 too much. Yeah, we're at 202 changes down there. 202. Put 3 on the minimum number. Actually, I should have cut 5 less than what I did. Yeah, well, the machine moved too quickly. You got a lip up in there too. Alright, yeah, we could have left 5 on that. Oh well. Get shot now. Okay, so now I gotta do this other one. So we're gonna move the case. We're in the middle now, so one of those 2 directions. And for a big case movement, we got to check the parallels underneath to make sure they're underneath the case because we're gonna do a big movement. Just out of the way before I drop it. This way. Okay, the blocks are moving with us, so that's a plus. It's like working in the dark back here. Makes it hard to see. About there. Centered. Yep. And the case good. Everybody's good. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Tile and a half further down. Pick the grass. roughing it in. Alright, it's supposed to be 255. I don't think we're even close yet. There's 300. I don't know why the mark is so far off. Yeah. Alright, so we gotta go a pretty good chunk of change moved over. And we're at 300, so I think we're 250 down right now. So give another 50, should get us to 300. We need about 20. There's 20. Drill that out. Looks like we're ways away. Rough finish. Oh, almost dropped the camera. Rough finish where we need to be. Okay, where are we at now? 280. Yeah, I moved it over 20 and it moved over 20. Look at that. Needs to move over a good chunk more. There's 15 more right there. Oop. Right there. Okay. 66 there. 10 more to go, it looks like. Close enough to 10. Probably could go a little bit more, but it's close. Probably close enough to run it. Yeah. There you go. 255.5. That's pretty close to 255. Okay, there's that one. So there's what that one looks like. Back it off 50 and go 3 more. 1, 2, 3 for 350. You always go past and then come back on things. You always put the handle about this spot so the weight keeps it where you want it to be. And I can always get back to where I was just by feel because I know where the handle's at. No matter what number it's on. Okay, so I'm going to move the case around. We'll get this last one right over here. Did pretty good at these. I'm going quick. Okay, blocks are moving with us again. That's a plus. Yep. Quit moving. good. Alright, blocks and everything gonna work. Okay, our alignment tool. Pretty damn close. So enough torque on that. If you do that on a twin cam, you'd break the case. Too frail. Alright. Alright, so you see where it just touched off right there. Spin that back. Put a 50 in here. This is only 4.8 instead of 5.15. Obviously, you have to move the line a little bit more. 150. Pretty close in the line I got this time. We'll leave it alone. Take another 50. Repetitive motion. It's doing with the ball of fire, isn't it? Alright, we'll get a measurement after this one. Alright, let's see what we got here. 130. Alright, we're at 260-ish right now. And I should be a long ways from that edge. And it looks like we are. 260, damn. We want to be at... Oh no, we want to be at 255. That's right. Here I was getting ready to make a big cut. Almost screwed up big time. 260. We got 5 tile to go. Let's see, I was thinking of the number for that one for a minute. Okay. Alright, so we got 5 to go on this one, and we got 50 to go over here. So there's 50 right here. Let's go the other direction. 5. I'm using this handle over here, see. Alright, we moved it. Turn that on, put you on. Yep, wrong direction. We'll go that way. Helps to go the right direction. Good. Yeah, 250 what? 204, 259, what was that? 256.5, 257. Pretty close. As we look over here, yeah, looks like it's about even. About a couple hundred thou space from the edge over here, just like we do on this side over here. I'm sure can't see it very well, but close enough. All right, so there you go. So we got that case all cut. So now it should match up to the other one pretty closely. Let's go a little hand blending, but hopefully we're close to what we're looking for. Let's see. Just out of the way. 51, 2, 3. Get the other case back in the same basic spot. This is in the way though. Gotta keep the stuff out of the way. Don't run this into here. It doesn't move when it hits it. Things start flexing. Not that I've ever done that before. There we go. How does that look? All right. The other side. So we got the before and after. And we take the other case. Where'd it go? Took the 41 case. It says 41 on it, so you know. Simple, huh? Okay, we just do a rough eyeball line up. Make sure they're buttoned up in there. Alright, how close did I get it? Pretty close, I hope. Pretty damn close. Can't hardly feel anything. So there you go, that's the air we got. Not bad. So we'll just do a little hand blending on the ones that are off. I thought that was off, but yeah, that one's off a little bit there. That one I covered too much on the one side, but we'll just do a little hand blending. It'll be fine. So there you go. That's how you get your clearance in there for your rods and your stroker motor. This big ass Sportster rod is going to go in this little small 45 motor. So that's going to go up there like that. That's why you need the clearance. It gets really close in there with a stroke in it. In a fat rod. Look how big it is. It barely even fits in the hole. It's so small. So there you go. Alright, we're back. Get the other one in there.